Hello friends, welcome to our channel. We are discuss about a new learning plan from class 1, subject Blossom English, and the topic is rainbow. Rainbow purple, rainbow blue, rainbow green and yellow too. Rainbow orange, rainbow red, rainbow shining overhead. This is the poem Rainbow, and we can see the picture of the textbooks of rainbow. Now we are start the learning plan of rainbow. Fill the teacher's name, class, period, date, subject Blossom, unit 10, topic rainbow. After this, we write the review of the pre-understanding of the topic. A student pre-understanding of the topic or the content are the students familiar with the topic which is to be taught, are the matters discussed topic related to the immediate environment of the children, how or how not. A student know about colors and rainbow. They have knowledge about rainbow 7 colors and their name also. This is used in daily life. Colors are used in daily life of students. After review of the topic, we write the teacher's pre-understanding of the topic. Have you read or taught this topic before? Do you think that you have the proper understanding of the topic so that you can teach it to your students? I have not taught this chapter before, but keep the information about this chapter. I have understood this chapter well, so I can teach children very well. After this, we write the relation of the topic with the curriculum syllabus. Which objective points of the curriculum syllabus is this topic related to? Which other subject units of this class is the topic related to? Is this topic included in the curriculum of the earlier class? How? The main objectives are knowledge about colors and their name, development of the reading and speaking skills, enhance the words power, etc. Topics that related to the rainbow is green tree, and other topics are related to rainbow also. Now it's time to develop learning plan. Description of the topic, subtopic and the importance of its learning. Write a brief introduction of the topic, subtopic based on your understanding of the lesson. Then critically analyze why should this be taught to the children, what important knowledge inherent in this topic, which dimension of the child development will it specifically affect. Topic is connected to our daily life. This chapter explains about colors. A student know about the 7 colors of the rainbow. Pedagogy choice of methods of teaching and learning. There are 2 methods we use, Reims method and picture description method. Now it's time to planning. Reims method. First of all, I will recite the poem slowly. After that, I will sing the poem with proper tone, intonation and action. In this, we introduce the hard words rainbow, sky, color, purple, blue, flower, sunflower, red, yellow, violet, etc. After this, we use picture description method, picture story method. In this method, I will use the picture given in textbook and describe the story. Now we are reached the last section of the learning plan. Self-evaluation by teacher. Did the learner learn objectives of the topic it was evaluated or not? Is the topic needed to be discussed again? Why or why not? And fill the other evaluation points. I request you to like and share my videos. Thanks for watching our videos.